All right, we are getting close. Could not wait, but this is going to be the newest rental in Garnet Valley. I'm just going to take you around and show you a very detailed video because we like to show it before you see it, get all your questions answered, and go from there. So before we make any more comments, there's a few finishing touches here, but it's finally cleaned up and presentable. So here you are. You come in the main door to your left, and then you have your open concept here dining room, which we have kind of slightly staged into the kitchen. See the stairs leading up there to the second floor, and we have a powder room. So a little bit of a spoiler alert. This house is a lot more than meets the eye. So I'm going to take you around, like I said, slowly and point out everything. So powder room right here, and here's a spoiler alert. There are 3 full baths in here. So remember, 3 full baths and 1 half bath. So that means 4 toilets. So that's kind of, helpful, especially you got a few people there getting ready in the morning, school, work, whatnot. But we also have a more or less finished basement with, we're going to call it an in-law suite. It's really a bonus room, and that is great. So backyard, you back up to the woods here, which is very, very nice and private. And oh, by the way, all hardwood floors on this level, actual real hardwood floors. So, warning, whoever does rent this out, you got to take care of them. Got to take care of everything. But yes, this is hardwood floors. Everywhere else is life-proof vinyl plank. So that's how we've been setting it up. But we actually had this one matched and I believe done right. So that is it. Now, remember, main level. I think I'm going to do a spoiler alert right away and go to the lower level and take you there. Actually adding one more light in the kitchen. So here you go. You can see the neutral colors, the white trim. We'll take you down slowly. So here you go. Everything's fresh and clean. We're gonna do one more once over. It's the game plan. There's your spoiler alert. So you got yourself another area to cook and microwave and do what you need to. And here you go, game room. I'm gonna take you to the corner because it's actually a long walk. Lots of cool track lighting up here. And same floor. But there you are. So here you can see the true lay of the land. So however you want to have that set up, I envision like couches here, little game area, however you want to do it. And you don't even have to trek up those 13 steps to go to the bathroom, because here is your bathroom. All ready to go, freshened up, and that is a big bonus. Speaking of which, we kind of think in a pinch, if you want to eat somewhere, bar stool right there. That's why we have the overhang, the cabinets, microwave, and everything you need to see here. Also, if you really want this to be a spot where you never leave, there is room in here for, I'd say, a fridge, but I'll take you in here slowly and show you because it's still a mess. So there is extra laundry. So we got laundry, and like I said, basically a mess that we'll have cleaned up. Oh, good thing I did that. Newer panel too. So definitely a newer panel. A lot of things touched up and fixed up, I'll say over the years now, because that's how long it's been. But this is probably the best space. So we'll take you up, and while we have laundry down here, you're thinking, hey, that's not great if people upstairs want to use it. Trek down there. Well, guess what? We got a bonus for you because we have laundry upstairs too. So really trying to think of everything. Take you one more path here. Again, small table there. Clearly a good sized room. Somewhat newer windows in here too. All 6 panel doors. Coat closet right here to the left. And up we go. Again, a few touch-ups here. But this is actually a pretty spacious hallway. A lot of these models have a shared bathroom here, but we don't. So here you go. We got 2 bedrooms and a full bath there and 1 behind us. So up here is 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. And look at that. Big bathroom, double sink added. So, you got kids, you got anyone, fighting for a sink there, you got it. So back you up. Show you this bedroom. Pretty simple and clean. I'll take you in so you can see the whole full effect. Closet, open closet concept here. So what we got going on. You saw that, and I might as well tell you now. So that needs a few touch-ups, we have an attachment there that's gonna have the barn door, or I should say the barn sliding door attachment, and that'll go in and out. And the game plan is to then put shelves in there, because that unit right there is an all-in-one. That is a washer and a dryer. You put it in there, you push the button, boom, done. So that is all done right and nice and simple and clean, the way we like it. So I'll show you, the smallest bedroom up here. That's what it is. Still have a pretty sizable closet. See some touch-ups if you're good. And the primary bedroom. So this one has a whopping 3 closets. And I was even thinking down the road, could have further changed this out and enlarged that bathroom. We didn't really do anything to that one, but freshened it up. And you got 2 closets, strung with lights too. So you can change the colors if you want to, go to town. But ceiling fan in here, large additional closet here, and yeah, full shower. That shower is new and updated, and there you are. So some touch-ups in there, but very, very, very light at this point, and we're ready to go. So hopefully you agree with me. There's definitely more than someone would think coming into this place from the outside, what you have going on. And by the way, if you're short for storage, attic access. Pull that down, actually pretty decent steps, and the whole, actually most of it is floored. So if you want to store things up there, you can. The basement had a nook under there too. I didn't point that out for storage. And then the unfinished part. So you know what? I'll leave you right there.